Good Thursday morning to you. This is an update on the big Middle Atlantic blizzard that'll be taking place on Friday night into Saturday and into Saturday night. Currently, we're looking at temperatures though that support temperatures cold enough for snow. You can see 32 degrees down, fairly close to the Gulf coastal states. This is where the main action is going to be, and just kind of carrying that through. Taking a look at the latest water vapor, you can see slight dry air entrainment, but this is an area of low pressure that's in the process of brewing right now. And one thing of note is we're seeing quite a bit of lightning with this. This is currently a blizzard tongue. These are thunderstorms in progress, latest lightning. And this area here is underway for some interesting dynamics, a lot of jet stream energy. An area of low pressure will spin up, trying to make a run toward the Appalachians. Then this will fall apart and become a secondary low somewhere around Columbia, South Carolina, and then take a track that'll take it toward Norfolk, Virginia, and then off the coast and throw a lot of Atlantic moisture inflow, plus all the Gulf of Mexico moisture associated with that, across Virginia and interior sections of the Middle Atlantic states, with a very sharp cutoff in terms of where the snow is going to be. Let's take a look at the computer modeling. So valid at 7 o'clock this morning, you can see the makings here of some thunderstorm activity. So as these thunderstorms then develop, you can see the areas of higher precipitation in red there. And move this over, you can read this a little bit better. So you're looking at greater than 8/10 of an inch into the 9/10, 1 inch realm here. And some of these thunderstorms, this is the area of low pressure that will then try to make a track here and then jump the gun and then a secondary track. And these pressure jumps are very typical. So this is the evolution here, 1,000 millibars, and then all of a sudden the thing disappears. Secondary low starts to form in about 6 hours or 3 to 6 hours time. 1,006 millibars along the coast of South Carolina. Watch it. Boop. There she blows, and here's a major Atlantic inflow rolling in across mainly Virginia. So areas of heaviest snow, of course, in this particular area, and we'll look at that in a second. Then just catches the southern coastal areas of New York City. You can see the area of low pressure is matured. It's got some dry air entrainment. However, a very strong pressure gradient between it and this sort of ridging of higher pressure located across Vermont. And we're going to undergo basically sunny days and be spectators and watch this puppy go out to sea. So again, the evolution. And that's it for us. Our next concern is going to be this little shot of jet stream energy and vorticity, and it's going to start to wrap together a little bit and produce what will be probably a strong Arctic front somewhere along about Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Okay, let's take a look at how this is going to evolve in terms of snow. This is snow accumulation only and total accumulation. This is the storm. You can see how it evolves here, almost like a crescent shape of sorts here. And look at this, northern Louisiana, Mississippi. Ooh, baby, look at this, look at this. Greater than 6-inch amounts. And then into the Blue Ridge, the Smokies, and the mountains of eastern Tennessee. Continuing. Watch this. This is pretty phenomenal. So you can see these little kind of hints of blue here, greater than 24 inches. And models might be backing off just a little bit on the 36-inch amounts, but still very, very healthy. Now, the other thing of interest here is the very sharp north-south cutoff of the snow gradient here. And you can see Long Island, you're under the gun for probably greater than 6 inches. A little further to the south, a lot more. A little further to the north, Tappan Zee Bridge, looking at probably 1 to 3. Interesting weather. Northern New England, not a problem. This is actually old from some diamond dust flurry activity. So really, this is not even going to be taking place during the time when this great monster Middle Atlantic blizzard will be tracking out to sea south of our region. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.